Morning, I'm Orlando Acito III from Auto 2A, and I'm going to discuss you the two types of fuel system. First is the electronic fuel system, or the also known as FI, then the carburetor type fuel system. Guys, I'm going to discuss the fuel system of a engine, and we have two types of fuel system. The first, I introduce you the electronic fuel system, or the FI. First, we have here the fuel tank, then the electronic fuel pump, then we have here the fuel hose, and also we have a fuel filter here, fuel filter to filtrate the gasoline or diesel. Then after the fuel filter, the fuel goes to the fuel rail, and also we have here then after the fuel rail, we have here the fuel injector to inject the fuel to the engine, and or inject the fuel to the throttle body goes to the engine. And after that, we have here the carburetor type fuel system, and this is the carburetor responsible for the air and fuel mixture to the engine. And also we have here the in carburetor type, we have also a fuel tank and fuel hose directly to the, also have the fuel filter, then direct to the carburetor. Then the carburetor do the work for the air and fuel mixture before going to the engine. And that's all, the two types of fuel system, the electronic fuel system, or the FI, and the carburetor type fuel system. And that's all. Thank you.